Show you a little bit about how to use dynamic tables in ZStream to hide fields or data that you don't want to see, to rearrange tables so that you can pull out the information you need, and just the fact that you can customize tables for different contexts. So let's start with hiding fields. So on a list of tasks, for example, if I have points, priority, and boards enabled, I can just use this table settings pop-up, and if my team doesn't use points, I can go ahead and hide the points column. That gives me a little bit of space for everything else. Now, if I want to resize a column, I can just come up to this table header and drag it over so I have more space for my task summaries here. And if I don't need so much space for my task statuses, I can drag this over, and now maybe I have room to add something else that I might need, like progress. So let's adjust these. Now, if I adjust progress to, if I adjust priority to be too small, I will be prompted that there's a minimum width for this table. So do I want to hide this column, or do I want to set it to the minimum width? So I can set it to the minimum width just like that. And as a quick way to hide a column, if I don't want to go through the settings pop-up here, I can just drag a column smaller than the minimum width and click hide column. So now priority is gone. And that's how you resize columns. To reorder columns, we can just come into the settings pop-up and drag some columns. So if I need to pull out the estimate, it's really important right now, I can drag that to the left, and maybe I need to see status next to the estimate. So now I can see these here, and I've just reordered them. You don't actually need to drag the drag handle. You can just drag the item in this pop-up to make it easy. So now we've gone through resizing columns, hiding columns, reordering columns. But what if I want to see different views or a different set of columns in different views? So Stream actually saves these views independently for epics, the releases tasks list, the boards list view of tasks, and the tasks page itself. So these four are all separate. They will have separate table settings. For example, in epics, I might want to see the progress of all the tasks under this epic. And I can do that with this progress field. But maybe on the tasks tab, I don't need to see that because most of these don't have subtasks. So this isn't very useful here. And I can hide it. But maybe I do want to see, for example, the total time logged on some task. And this may also be more useful in the epics tab, but this will show me the total estimate and the total time logged on a task and its subtasks. I can also do not total, but just time logged. So here I can see this is estimated at 3 hours. It looks like there's about an hour logged. And again, if I don't need this, most of this data is empty, I can go ahead and hide it. Where did it go? Time logged. All right, and now it's gone, and I can give some more space to my task summary. So now you know how to use dynamic tables in ZStream to reorder and resize columns, to hide fields, and then also to customize tables for different contexts. ZStream will just save this automatically as you change your table settings for each of these independently. Thanks for watching.